Don't you hate it when your remote is not responsive? After checking the batteries, it's not the battery's problem, but it's actually the receiver. Okay, and in this episode, you will also learn how to extend the range with your new receivers. Alright, let's get into it. So we're gonna open up the receiver inside here and then replace it. So today we'll be doing this whole DIY using only this Swiss Army knife by Victorinox. Okay, this is a nice to have multi-tool. It has everything you need from electrical all the way to woodworking. First of all, we start off with the screw. Using the screwdriver to open it. Use it. So what have we here? Up here, this particular motherboard, okay, is usually the motor controller for your autogate. Okay, you can see all these wires here that goes in. Is to control the motor and also to sense the switches, the limit switches. Up here you can see that sometimes it has this one. You can control how hard or how soft the motor control is. Okay. Let's see, that's the motor itself. Okay, careful because sometimes the circuit up here is 240 volts and only the motor is 24 volts. So motor you can actually touch it or touch the wires, but the main power coming in you can't. Okay, that's the limit switch. It's when the autogate knows it's already reaching the closing limit or the opening limit. Okay, now this is the remote control receiver. Okay, right, that's the antenna. Very battered after being out here for like 10 years. Okay, these are the cables going in, so we just need to find what is what. Okay, so usually red and black is very simple, it's just positive and negative, so it goes in here. Okay, and then we have the brown. Let me see, so they have a brown, okay, and then the yellow and orange. Okay, it goes in here. Looks like the both yellow are together, the brown and orange are together. That means it's actually just one channel and one ground. Okay, so actually there's only one channel needed to open and close. So let's see our new unit. So our new unit has actually two channels. There's a brown channel, the gray channel, and the white is actually the ground. Okay, and then red and black is for your power. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Okay, so for this one I need another, yeah, this one, flat screwdriver. Let's loosen up. Positive. This is the white one. These are the original one inside. This one I suspected, the white ones comes in from the switch in the house. Okay, so that's it. Let's remove the old one. Okay. Here, there's only one cable for the ground, which is white, and then this is the channel 1 and channel 2. Use this one as a wire stripper here. Okay, strip the wires. easy does it? Put them together. Okay, now for this one. Same thing. Let's do it for the power cables. So let's wire them up. The remote is going to be here. Let me see if it can go in. Yes, it can go in. So this will be all lined up here. To be safe, let's start off with the not power cable. Okay, let's start off with the signal cables first. And last but not least, the power cables. Start off with ground first. And then the positive 12 volt. All done. Now let's test it out. We have this little remote set. Okay, it's working. Stop. Let's see the next button. It's the same thing. Okay, it's working because it's controlling 2 channels at the same time. So if your controller board has channel 2, sometimes it's just to open 2 sides of the gate or turn on the lights, then you can wire in your channel 2 into that port, right? Okay, now let's tidy up all this. Okay, the antenna needs to be, I like to put it outside because then it will increase the range. If not, actually if we just round it out inside, it's fine as well. We can do a simple test. Let's put it inside. Okay. Sit it in here. Okay. And we can put on the cover and let's see how far can it go. Okay, let's test out all the remotes. Seems like it's working fine. Okay, previously my old remote unit, I can't even turn it on, or it can't even be detected from just like 10 meters away. But this one, yeah, seems like it's working fine, even from far. That's good. Okay, so if you want it to work from even further, you just need to extend the antenna way up. Let me show you how. Okay, this is how you extend the antenna out. Just let the cables out here. Cable like this. Okay. Okay, and this one, usually what I do is I'll DIY using a piece of straw, okay, to let it hold up high, straight away from everything else. Now I'm using something better than straws. These are party balloon sticks, balloon holders. So it's hollow inside because then I can put the wires in it. Okay. and by doing so, you actually extended the range of your remote. So now we can even, okay, it's easily double the range right now. So this is how I do it. Okay. If you can see up here, there. Okay. So that's how we extend the range by straightening the antenna. Okay. So what I need to do right now is just to tape this and make sure it stands. Alright? And that's it. That's how you replace a new receiver for your Powergate and extend the range. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.